Well, good morning, y'all. Welcome to our channel. Today we are in a rainy port. John, where are we?
We are in Reykjavik, Iceland, and yes, indeed, it is cold outside. It's probably 45 degrees. There is no wind. There's an overcast. It's raining, and it's gonna be like this all day long.
Oh, really?
Yes.
It's gonna make for an interesting vlog. This is the last stop for this whole series, isn't it?
It is the last stop, and today we have an all-day excursion.
When he says all day, he means all day. So it's gonna be one that you don't want to miss. We have a lot of stops. It's gonna be a lot of fun. We're gonna eat some food. We're gonna get wet in more ways than one, and we're gonna have some fun. That's all that you want to know, and that's what you want to do, and that's what you want to see. So keep on watching, and let's have a great time. You ready?
Yes, let's go.
Okay. All right, y'all. It's diamond camera time. I got a story for you. So we get up this morning. Sean's like, we gotta be on the dock, all at the end of the pier. We need to be there by 7:30 because we have to be ready by 8 to get picked up. So did my due diligence, got up, got ready, and I actually did not dilly-dally around like I normally do. Huh, John? Did I dilly-dally around?
No, you actually did pretty good.
I did really good, yes. And then we get to the place, and our bus wasn't there. So after that happened, John was like, "Oh, I'm just gonna go ask these people. It looks like what we're supposed to have." The guy's like, "No, not on our roster, but go ahead and check on the other ones." So John checked on the other ones. They didn't have us. They just didn't match up. So then he goes to this random one that was not the company, but is the company, because when you book third party, there's like, they're all together, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. And he was like, "Yes, I do have you on a roster." But there was a portion of our tour that was not on there. And so John chatted with the guy. The guy that had us on their roster did a good job by contacting the company, making sure everything was right. And now, at last, John, we're here.
We are. So we're about to see some tectonic plates.
Yeah. So we have only one rule in the whole tour group, and he said not to fall. So it's gonna be a great time. We're gonna enjoy ourselves, and it's gonna be a great tour. We'll chat with you guys real soon.
So we went into the little cafe shop there and got a cup of joe. We're gonna go look at these tectonic plates. So we are currently walking through 2 tectonic plates. That's pretty awesome.
It is very, very cool.
Well, this is a nice little stroll through the fissure that was caused through the movement of these tectonic plates. And there was a cafe at the beginning of the stroll. So make sure you get something warm, because it is a little chilly. Something to keep you warm on this stroll. And we're gonna head over to the other side where our bus is waiting, and we're gonna go to the next stop.
Yeah. Very pretty out here.
So the tour that we are doing today is the Golden Circle and Soak and Secret Lagoon. So we're visiting the most iconic places that Reykjavik has to offer, that Iceland has to offer, and we're gonna go take a bath.
Oh yeah.
Another bath.
It's a great time. Good adventure. A lot of fun. Let's keep going.
Next stop is this waterfall.
I'm cold.
It is freezing. It's raining. It's wind. We're getting wet. So this golden circle, well, it's kind of the wet circle. It's very wet. It's stormy.
And cold.
It is very cold. So make sure you pack warm clothing, waterproof clothing. But nonetheless, it's beautiful out here. This waterfall, it's amazing. It's definitely something that you must see. Rain or shine. So the horses that you saw back there are Icelandic horses. They're not ponies. Don't call them ponies because they'll get upset. These are Icelandic horses. They are very strong. They have a lot of stamina. And you'll see these horses all over Iceland. It is now lunchtime, and we are at this restaurant that's right across from the geysers. So we're gonna eat first, and then we're gonna see the geysers. The geysers do erupt every 5 to 10 minutes. So we're gonna eat. So the food was delicious. It's like a cafeteria style. So you get what you want to eat, and then you pay for it. There's different items on the menu. You can get the lamb, you can get the chicken, you can get meatballs, and it comes with potatoes, some vegetables, and some rice. It's about $30 per person, and you also get some dessert and some coffee. Did you like it, Diamond?
I thought it was very good. It's a little bit hard to figure out whenever you come in, but once you figure it out, sit down, have a nice meal, and it's a lot of food. I did destroy my plate though, but it was very, very good food. And now we're gonna go see some geysers, and I might talk John into getting some ice cream. We'll see.
So all these people are trying to see the geyser. The geyser's up there, not down here. They're not gonna see anything, but we're gonna see the geyser, because the tour guide told us we're gonna see it. Don't stand down one from it.
Yeah, that's a bad idea. Very bad idea. You know what's a great idea, John?
What's that?
These lids, like, okay, y'all, can I just, modern science, keep it attached? Where is this, America? The bomb. That's delicious.
What you got there?
Ice cream. Called Northern Twist.
Well, after filling our bellies and watching the geyser, Diamond, it's time to bathe.
It is. It sure is. And apparently, this is the oldest pool in this country. Did you know that's what it actually stands for? Is the old pool?
The old pool.
The old pool.
We're gonna go in the old pool and bathe.
Wash without your swimsuit before entering the pool. Step 3. Remember that we only have one pool. Behind the pool are hot springs with boiling hot water. Never ever go there.
This is so worth it. It was the weirdest shower experience I've ever had in my life.
Why?
Yeah, let's not get that on camera.
So prior to getting into the thermal baths, you need to take a shower. And they say to take a shower without your bathing suit on. So let's just say it's like a locker room, like a sports locker room in there. Yeah. So unlike the last bath we were at, this one's 100% natural. The water is being warmed up by this geyser that's right over there. There's literally a geyser, and the water's being controlled by pumps, so it's not too hot because the water can get up to 200 degrees. That's quite hot.
Also, very cool fact, every single child in Iceland has to learn to swim. It is a requirement no matter how much they like or dislike the water. It is a safety measure that they take, and it's not, this area is not just by that one, it's actually by other geysers that are all around that are actually pumped into this.
So if you want to bathe like the Vikings, go to the Secret Lagoon. Check it out. It's a whole lot cheaper than the Blue Lagoon. I haven't been to the Blue Lagoon, but I would assume it's like the one we did in the previous port. But it's beautiful out here.
Well, John, I think today was a great day.
Yep, that is a wrap for today. Today has been a fantastic day in Reykjavik, Iceland.
Yeah, our tour guide Franklin was amazing, went above and beyond. He had a whole playlist for music for us to listen to. He even made like an extra pit stop so we got to see the horses. Just a really, really great tour and a great way to end this cruise. But John, I'm so sad.
Yeah, it's over.
It's over.
We gotta go back to our home tomorrow.
Yeah, but I want to say this. Shout out to Jamie and Sharon from Sharon at Sea Travel. You guys have been amazing. Thank you so much for providing this opportunity for not only us to get to see the world, but also to get to see the world with friends. It's always a great time. We've enjoyed every single night. Being able to just see everybody and hang out with the group and seeing their experiences. The cruising community is just amazing. Can't express that enough. And one way that you can join the cruising community is hitting that subscribe button down below and hitting the notification bell to let you know every single time we have a video coming out. But I think that's all I have to say, John.
That's all. If you guys have any questions, make sure you guys comment down below and we will answer them.
Yeah, but as always, who are you?
My name is John.
And my name is Diamond. Go on a cruise.
And have a good time.
We'll see you guys real soon.